What's up, YouTube? I'm here dipping again. Some Skull Mint. Already got it in. Yeah. Here's my buddies. But yeah. They're here dipping Grizzly Wintergreen. But yeah. He has to hurry up because his little pussy ass mom is gonna be home and she don't want him to get scared dipping. Yeah, I forgot to, like, I accidentally hit the bottom button and turned off my camera, so that's why we already have our dips in. But, yeah. That's, oh, yeah. Sexy, huh? Sweet tea. You can see me there. Oh, shit. I already did Skull, but, you know, it's just another video. Just get bored. Haha, there's his friend. He's sitting down there jacking off. You got a buzz? You got a buzz? You do? He has a buzz. But, oh yeah, let me put his voice on so, you know, y'all can hear him. I did that in my last video with my other friend. Hey, what's up? Speak? Alright, there he is.
That dog got pretty teeth.
But, yep. There's nothing here to do but dip. Oh, yeah. He has ugly teeth. I got pretty teeth. Tell your friend to stop jacking off and get over here and get in the video. How old is he?
13.
What grade are you?
He put a pouch in.
That right there? That guy right there? That's a pussy. That's a pussy. Him, that's a man. That's a man. That's a pussy. That's a man. Pussy man. Pussy man. Hey, tell your... Yeah, this is gonna be on YouTube just to let y'all know. Yep. What? Who's that? Who are you?
Yo.
Who was that?
We in a different straight Grizzly and Skull. You know what we do.
Woo!
Doing this night. Damn, all these people in the forest, we trying to make a dip video.
You're trying to make a dip video. Oh, you dumbass niggers.
Ah!
Uh-oh, somebody had... Oh, man, this dip, I got out too. Look at that. Ugh. Next video, I'll probably be doing it on the, front. Like, right here, not back here. Maybe one video, maybe, yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, probably next video, I'll probably put it on my top lip.
Yeah, I'm about to put it in the top lip right now. It's going on. Here we go. Alright, it gets going up. Here we go.
That's disgusting.
Going up top.
Look at that. Look at that. has a dip on his tongue. He's disgusting. But yeah, what is dipping here? Guess I just put on some music. While y'all look at me. I'm sexy, huh? Yeah.
Hey, give me another beer, bitch.
I'm down, what I can do, swap a nose down.
I'm watching football. I'm ready to know the Cowboys win.
What the hell is that noise?
Goddamn right, I'm a man.
Ken.
I'm a man. Gotta make sure I make it above my fire. Next to deer, shot with Mariah. Alright, hell yeah, sport. No broke shorts, no bush.
Oh, look at this spit.
Over the board. Right on home to some more. Wherever they go.
Oh, I got him a laptop.
Yeah, what is this?
Oh, yeah. Oh, never mind. That's what make this video short. Yeah, I'm not. My dad made me take a fucking pill and knocked me out. That's why I didn't get on last night. I may be doing tonight. Let's see. I may tonight be doing Copenhagen wintergreen. Grizzly. Meeny, miny, money, mo. I don't know. I decide about it. They're perfect. What if that gun went off in her hand and she shot and like she shot herself? I'm so tired of nothing to talk about. But yeah.
No homo. Psych. Hey, I said no homo. Hey, fuck.
Oh, they got hair from that one too.
I don't want to fuck terrorists. Guys, I'm kidding. I like Romo. I don't like Romo. I said fuck terrorists. I want to fuck a terrorist. You wouldn't. If you caught me lying, you wouldn't give me
What would you do if I ate your right now?
For America?
That'll be a fucking YouTube hit.
Right after you ate it, innocent American terrorists. Hey, little Aberdeen, come in here.
I would get sick, but I would do it. I would eat this right now.
No, you won't.
I promise I'm gonna finish that drink.
Oh, you're gonna eat his dip.
Hey, hold on, wait before you do it. Wait before you do it.
Here he goes. He's about to eat his dip. No, pick it up in your hand and do this. And do this. And swallow it.
I'm an American citizen.
Do it.
Aberdeen, Washington. This is my country.
Piece of it. Big piece of it.
Do it. Do it.
Obama won the presidential election. Not me. Half of the country doesn't feel the same way I do.
Oh, he ate his spit dip. Nasty bastard.
And I live in America.
Did you really eat it?
Yes.
America.
Let's see your friend eat it.
Little Aberdeen, shut the fuck up.
Tell your friend to eat his.
I'm a
Hey, you
man.
got a foul.
I don't care.
Eat yours. Oh, he said no. Hold on, I gotta throw this out the window.
I'm not crazy like him. I'm not about to eat my fucking dip. I got spit on my lip. He about to throw up, I guarantee you. But yeah, that's our YouTube video. That's him, and his friend dipping, me dipping, Skull, they're dipping. But the guy in the yellow shirt dipping Grizzly Morning Rain, he's dipping a pouch. I don't know what pouch, but I'm dipping Skull Mint. So, yes, peace out, YouTube. Remember, that guy in the yellow ate his dip. He's a ass. Like, that's disgusting, but yeah. Peace, YouTube. My battery's about to die, but peace.